Word by Word Picture Dictionary, 2nd edition, by Stephen J. Malinsky and Bill Bliss.
Page 2. Family Members 1. Listen and practice the words.
Husband, wife, parents, father, mother, children, daughter, son, baby, siblings, sister, brother, grandparents, grandmother, grandfather, grandchildren, granddaughter, grandson.
Page 2. Model Conversations. Listen and practice the first conversation.
Who is he?
He's my husband.
What's his name?
His name is Jack.
Now listen and practice the second conversation.
Who is she?
She's my wife.
What's her name?
Her name is Nancy.
Page 2. Additional conversations. Now listen to the additional conversations and then practice them using any words in the lesson you wish.
I'd like to introduce my brother.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, too.
What's your brother's name?
His name is Bob.
What's your sister's name? Her name is Julie.
Word by Word Picture Dictionary,